Jak śmiesz? Today we're gonna make an egg in this micro box, you know? So what do you need for this boiling egg? You need an egg, then you take that egg, put in this box, and you put in this one box which called Samsung. I find it in UMK only. And put the color, then it explode not very badly. I don't know, it's not explode. And put on max power 4 minutes and you watch what happens. My mother said that when you eat it's very good. Развалит нахуй. Well, this was not what we expected. Don't do it at home. We can see what is our egg look like. Well, it's not like my mother said, but still we can try. You take piece of egg, put some Kazakh salt on it, and oil, and then try to eat. I like, jak śmiesz.